Hello, everyone. First of all, are you okay? Deep breath. The exam's over. We're fine. So let's go over what was asked of you in the exam. So this question one, required you knew how to round. Also required your knowledge of different number groups. So what's a natural number, what's an integer, what's a real number, etc. And it also required your knowledge of integers and how, not integers, sorry, inequalities and how the inequality signs work. So let's look at question one here. Zena's car, Zena's car has a screen which shows the temperature in degrees. Correct the nearest whole number. So she has a car. She has like a Tesla or something, bougie, right? Her car can read what the temperature is, rounded to the nearest whole number. When Zenas was going to work one day, the temperature on the screen was 18 degrees Celsius. Write down three possible values that the actual temperature could have been. So it's 18 rounded. So that means the actual temperature could have been from anything from 17.5 to 18.4, right? Because after that we are rounding, right? We are rounding down. Because after any more than that, we're rounding up. So if it's like 18.6, we're rounding up. If it's like 17.4, we're rounding down. So we just need to put down three values between 17.4 and 17.5 and 18.4. So literally just three values. Literally could be anything you want. So I'm just going to do 17.5, 18.2, and 18.1. There you go. That's literally all the question was asked of you to do. You could have 101 different possible answers for that. So let T represent the actual temperature at a given time. Fill in the missing values in the inequality T below to show the range of possible values for T when Z is going to work. Well, again, I kind of did up here already. But it has to be greater than 17.5, because when it's 17.5 or greater than or equal to that, it will round up. But it has to be less than 18.5, right? Because if it's like 18.49, we're rounding down. So it's going to be greater than 17.5, but less than 18.5. Then finally, part C. If you were asked to graph the actual temperature T over the course of the day, would it be more appropriate to graph T as an element of natural numbers, T as an element of integers, or T as an element of real numbers? So remember, the N means natural numbers. That's just whole positive numbers. Integers is whole positive or negative, including 0. And then real numbers is everything. So which one would be more appropriate? If you were to graph the actual temperature chart today, I'd say T is an element of real numbers, right? Because, give you a reason. Because temperature is rarely a whole number. There you go, something like that. I think that's a valid enough reason. And that's this question done. Hopefully it was a nice few marks for everyone. And I hope you found this question okay. And I hope I was correct. So I'll catch you all later. Bye.